Exploring the phrase, "in memory's garden." Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and poetic expression, "in memory's garden." This phrase evokes a lot of imagery and emotion, making it a fascinating topic for our English language exploration. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love delving into the depths of poetic expressions, this video is for you. Let's unlock the meaning and use of this phrase together. In memory's garden is a metaphorical expression. A metaphor is a figure of speech in which a word or phrase is applied to an object or action to which it is not literally applicable. So, when we talk about memory's garden, we're not referring to a physical garden that you can visit. Instead, we're talking about a symbolic space within our minds where memories are cultivated, grow, and sometimes fade, much like plants in a garden. This phrase beautifully illustrates how our memories can be nurtured and cherished, but also how they can wither and be forgotten. It suggests a place of reflection and remembrance, where moments of the past are kept alive in our thoughts and feelings. Why use the word garden? Gardens are often associated with growth, beauty, and tranquility. They require care and attention to flourish. By likening memory to a garden, the phrase underscores the active role we play in maintaining our memories. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, we nurture our memories by revisiting them, sharing them with others, and sometimes selectively forgetting the ones that cause us pain. This metaphor also evokes the sense of personal cultivation, the idea that our memories and experiences shape who we are, much like a garden reflects the care and personality of the gardener. You might encounter or use "in memory's garden" in various contexts, especially in literature, poetry, speeches, and reflective writing. It's a phrase that adds depth and emotion to the discussion of memories and the past. For example, you could say, "In memory's garden, the moments we shared bloom brightly," to express how cherished memories of time spent with someone continue to bring joy and warmth to your heart. It's also a beautiful way to start a conversation about nostalgia, remembrance, and the impact of past experiences on our present selves. Thank you for joining us as we explored the phrase, "in memory's garden." We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, significance, and usage, enriching your understanding of English language expressions. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the beautiful imagery and emotions those words can convey. Keep nurturing your language learning garden, and until next time, happy learning!